Hello students, today we are going to discuss how to create the table in HTML. First of all, we see what is the table. Table, it is the collection of rows and the columns. See, this is the caption to the table student info. This is the rows of the table. Here there are 3 rows of the table. Here there is 3 columns in the table. There are several tags for the table. So many tags displayed here. For example, table, tr, td, th, thead, tbody, tfooter. This is the example of table. Now, in practical, we start the practical session. In previous session, we took the overview of how to create the simple web page, how to save the program and how to run the program. Now in this session we are going to discuss how to insert the table in web page. So let's start the practical session of your program. Here this is the structure of any HTML page, and I want to insert the table. For that purpose we have to insert here the table tag in HTML under the HTML tag. Now in table tag we have to insert the table first row. That is that purpose we have to use the tr tag. Then we have to give the heading to our table. For that purpose we have to use the th tag. Here we are insert first heading to our table, that is table is the student info, and the first heading is first name. Th close. The second heading is last name. Sorry. Th close. For example, Mars. Th close. And after that tr close. Next, this is the first row of our table. In that the first heading is first name, last name and Mars. And we insert the actual data to our table by using the td tag. First we have to open the tr tag, second row of your table, then insert the actual data. For example, Pooja, td close. Next, insert second data, Pawar, we have to close here td tag. insert TD Mars 60, TD close. After that TR close. Insert the third row of our table, open the TR, then insert the second row data to our table, TD tag, insert the second data, for example Sai, close TD tag, next open the TD tag, Patil, TD close. After that insert the Mars, TD 80, TD close. After that close the TR. Save the program, save as. Give the table file name as a table.html. Save the program. Run the program. See, this is the output of our table. Here we insert the table border is equal to 1 and it show the table border to our table. See. Thank you. In next session we see how to insert the image and form to in your web page.